Greetings, Night Market. Greetings. How are you feeling? Good. Well, I, for one, am feeling excited because tonight is my first official performance as T.A.O. So I'm really excited. I hope you like what you hear and you follow me on the grams. First rap.
Easy, never find so right. I'm trying to change the rules to deserve something good in your life. We've waited for far too long, so come get your blessings tonight. Won't you come over now? Would you come tonight? Or would you not believe me? Cause I love that easy, never try so right. I'm trying to change the rules, you deserve something good in your life. We've waited for far too long, so come get your blessings tonight. Won't you come over now, so I can show you love? Promise I got enough to give you all that you need. So many search to find love that's as good as mine. I will not waste your time, so bring it all to me. Bring it all to me. Ooh, bring it all to me. Baby, let me teach you, give you love instruction, show you what to do. We should take it easy, ain't no need to rush, no baby, nice and slow. All this stuff I can give to you, I expect just a bit in return.
Is one that I wrote when I was manifesting a particular love of my life. It is called Light a Candle. It's gonna be my first single that I release. I hope you like it. Did you like it? Oh, thank you. I can do a next one. Is that okay? All right, all right. This one is gonna change the vibe just a little bit, cause Earth are on red right now and you don't know who to trust, so.
Father, will you come and will you take my hand? Take my hand, Jaja, take my hand. Father, will you come and will you take my hand in this life? Can't trust any man in this life. Can't trust any man. Let your body scattered and then hey, run gone. And it's never gonna matter cause you're no rich man. No respect for life and that is no question. Nobody is spared when them raise them gun. Father, will you come and will you be my shield? Be my shield, will you be my shield? Father, will you come and will you be my shield in this life? Can't trust any man in this life. Can't trust any man. Everyone a shot at your blood, King and Dan. Oh, never wanna cross paths with the real wrong one. Hunger, greed and envy run Babylon. Everybody scatter, now unite as one. Father, will you come and will you be my guide? Be my guide, will you be my guide? Father, will you come and will you be my guide in this life? Can't trust anyone not in this life. Can't trust any man. Sense of men just to protect us all as we trod. Oh, as we trod. Swords of flaming fire burning evil. Oh, evil down. Sense of men just to protect us all as we. Oh, as we trod. Swords of flaming fire burning evil. Oh, evil down. Father, will you come and burn evil down? Father, will you come and will you take my hand? Take my hand, Jaja, take my hand. Father, will you come and will you take my hand in this life? Can't trust any man in this life. Can't trust any man in this life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In this life, yeah, yeah, yeah. In this
Greetings, thank you, thank you, thank you. My name is T.A.O. You can find me on Instagram at @theawkward1OG. Give thanks.
Wow, make some noise again for T.A.O. As she said, this was her first performance under her rebranding. Now she going good, right? Listen to man, when she reached them high note there, listen all the angels could I hear she sing to Ocean Nice, yeah? So thank you, T.A.O, for joining us and congratulations on your journey. We're looking forward to hearing and seeing more of you. So remember to follow her on all social media platforms. T.A.O is the name of T.A.O.
Good night, everyone. I am M.E.K. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of my poems from my poetry collection and soon-to-be book, Adolescent. Okay, so in adolescence, there are many different themes that come about. Grief, sadness, joy, identity, many things. And I've realized that these things don't only come in adolescence. We all kind of are adolescent. We all want the same things. We all want to be loved, cared for, We all want to be heard and seen. So, when I was younger, my hair was thick. Thick and dense. Wow. You have nice hair. How long did it take you to do it? Can I touch it? While the remarks were nice and I smiled as they stared, for every high there was a low. This is not about hair. You come out head from morning. Girl, you ever try relaxer? Me can touch it. I would see online these beautiful brown girls telling me I had beauty. But all I could ask is, why not their kind of beauty? Looser, thinner curls, it must be easier to comb that way. Roots that wouldn't hurt after being in a bun all day, so I relaxed my hair. I relaxed my hair for something new. Something that would make me feel perfect. This is not about hair. I relaxed my hair to reach perfection, but what I thought was perfection was really just white, or close to white, or as far away from black as I could get, far away from who I am, away from me. I thought that if it came from me, it couldn't be good. If my body designed it, it was worth less than everyone around me. This is not about hair. Then I stopped myself and I asked, how can I recite Psalm 139 and still think this way? 1 Corinthians 11, her hair is her glory, songs of songs like a flock of goats. What have I done? Who have I become? Have I taken away from me? Have I damaged my crown? This is not about hair. So I cut it. Every straight end I cut it, till all that was left were the roots rooted in my own scalp. I have my mane back now and I love it, but I've realized there was nothing wrong with my straight ends. The problem was the hate I had for myself. So, relax your hair, or keep your coils and curls, lock your hair. Cut it, braid it, press it, bun it. Just remember these roots are yours and no one else's, so claim it. Love it. Nurture it. Embrace it. This is not about hair. So, we've explored identity, but let's go deeper. What about the girl in her room, alone? In a pool of words, her head just above the surface, she fishes for the perfect answer. I am fine. Above all expressions, she chooses one so distinctly precise yet so vast. So vague in nature, vague enough to fool the wise who say they know her, the prude who say they love her, the fools who want to woo her. Her silence speaks, but her speech remains unheard. No one thinks anything of a quiet little girl. Well, if no one sees, then no one really cares. She convinces herself to sit in a corner, sinking in downcast tears. She sits in her corner, hoping someday someone will see the darkness in that corner. See, she sees the darkness creeping, taking her mind where it shouldn't go, unknown to those around her, but deep inside her soul, she cries out for a reason to live. God, give her a reason to live. Make her heart light again, her smile shine bright again, give her sight again. Loosen her noose as she takes her thoughts captive. Take her from the stool, Satan's tool, to take her life and see her next to you, high above the skies, 'cause I need her. And she needs me to be the one you have called us to be. And that won't work if she leaves, 'cause I am that girl. That girl is me. Ooh. Ooh. There's one more theme that is prevalent in our adolescent period, and that is love or hate. When an adolescent girl loves an adolescent boy, she tends to, want to call him her home, not really understanding what that means for a little boy to be her home. Come on. And to that girl, I would say, somebody should have told you never to make a person your home, because they leave. Washed away with every wave of salt core sea, now you're drowning. Wondering why that house would let you down, like it wasn't you who saw the big red sign, not fit for construction, like it wasn't you who noticed that first day the waves eroded the earth, ate away at its crust, left their teeth marks along that crusty old cliff, now cave. Now you're drowning. And your home is shattered glass, a symbol of your heart's condition, and you can't fathom how your mansion could vanish so quickly. I hear you calling. Home will never call back. I see you yearning. Home cares not about your lack. He's gone. And maybe that will teach you to make a home out of anything but a person.
Boy! 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 Yeah, man. What's your name? Where we find you?
All right, give it up one more time for M.E.K. And I hear this gentleman here doing the job. I love it. Thank you. Please tell us where to find you on social media.
So I have some cards. If you want to get any more information, you can just link me and I'll give you. But on Instagram, my name is MICHAELA _ELEXIA. I'll repeat that. MICHAELA _ELEXIA. Yep.
All right, give it up one more time for her. Listen, some insightful points there, and very good talent there. It takes a lot to really express yourself in such an art form that's so relatable, right? So really give her up for all her talent. Another hot performer coming up right now. Her name is Isha Bel. So give her the same energy now. Yeah, Isha Bel.
On the good? Yeah. All right, run the rhythm. We'll start with the ancestor song first. Now we'll wake up the lion and lioness in the roll on it tonight. Because yesterday was African Liberation Day. We will liberate your minds and bodies from the invisible shackles. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh lion, oh lioness. Get up and know you are the mightiest. Oh lion, oh lioness. Stand up and know you are the greatest. Oh children of the sun, you hear since time began. Get ears. And now you're living in illusion. ISIS, body na spells, confusion. Them trick you, how them right. Convince you that you're wrong. Because you don't know yourself. You don't know yourself. You are the strongest forces in the world. Are calling every lion. Oh lioness. Get up and know you are the mightiest. Are telling every lion. Oh lioness. Wake up and know you are the greatest. Oh lion. Oh lioness. Get up and know you are the mightiest. Oh lion. Oh lioness. Stand up and know you are the greatest. Them have you in amnesia too long. You forget your ancestor song. Going round in a circle, not know where you belong. Truth is really a vein on your DNA strain. Blood memories are echo now you brain. You're the coil of the last one. I want to pray for them when we go home, yeah? Alright, next stroke. Anything. That's enough people all about. All of the words on my mouth and the meditation on my heart bust down Babylon. Let's just touch and go for the one, yeah? And then we're going to the next one. But listen. What is the method for rock down Babylon? A reggae music the method for crush down Babylon. How are you listen? We come to turn up the sound. Make one more Babylon wall drop down. Turn up the sound. Till the gates of Babylon crash to the ground. Come on, turn up the sound for the real people. Gather round. Turn up the sound. Tell them the truth, I'm gonna rock them down. We get them rubber, we get them culture. Our upful things we are offer. I win our business, I win our business. I real hard rubber dub soldier. And them a circle like vulture. To divide and conquer. Tell them the warrior queen come blaze a fire. And come fi kick them with the words of power. We come fi turn up the sound. Put them out there. One life to live. Let me tell you people in a different way now. One life to live. Alright. All the song I like a bit please. Let me tell them about this tune now. You see this tune now? It's a different type of Isha Bel I say right now on the tune, yeah. Cause it's around 2022 me do that song, yeah. And then say it never fit the theme for the festival song competition, so I park it. So it's right now, may I release it in a few weeks. So the most fitting place to introduce it is where? Kingston Night Market. So this one called Time Now Wait. Run the tune. This one different. You know what I'm yeah? Oh yeah. Listen. Analele, analulu, analimbo, dance and alulale. Analele, analulu, analimbo, dance and alulale. This analele, analulu, analimbo, dance and alulale. Analele, analulu, analimbo. Move your limbo. Don't sit down, you waste your life. You have to make it in the bright sunshine. Can't sit down like back up on shelf. Cut in now, waste off your strength. Get oil and grain on your head, and you still don't get nowhere. Time now, wait for you, no. Get up, get ready to go. Time now, wait for you. Now wait for you. Analele, analulu, analimbo, dance and alulale. Analele, analulu, analimbo, dance and alulale. This analele, analulu, analimbo, dance and alulale. Analele, analulu, analimbo. Who can limbo? Come up here. Only come up. Come on, my darling. Come here. Come show them how limbo go. Time now, wait for you, no. Get up, get ready to go. Time now, wait for you. And now wait for you. I wait for you. Analele, analulu, analimbo, dance and alulale. Analele, analulu, analimbo. Sometimes I laugh a lot. Anyway, next song, One Life to Live. You know my favorite artist is Phyllis Dillon, Master Griffiths too, and Rita Marley. But Phyllis need more props on here. Listen. Oh, win or lose, it is that game we play. Right or wrong. Mama Phyllis. to give, give. No matter what it is, he touches me and make me his. Oh yes, now we're in love. I only have one life to live. I'm gonna live it. I only have one love to give, give. No matter what it is, he touches me and make me his. Oh yes, now we're in love. For the time, sing now. Come on, I must know them tuning now. Oh, no, come on, come on. Daddy Fred, me see you. Well, are you lost? I don't know what changes time may bring, but right now, today's the important thing. Together comes what may. We welcome each new day. We'll love to be your good to me, to my brother. To make it through tomorrow. I only have one life to live. Put up another Genesis. I one life here, say value to the fullest. I only have one love to give, give. No matter what it is, he took me and make me his. Oh yes, now we're in love. I only have one life to live. I go so. Hey, yeah. Come on, follow on my brother. Boy, it is such a lovely vibration. I feel nice, and I feel nice too. On the shore, and I feel nice. Lord have mercy. You want one more tune? You want to give me one more? I take my time up, you know. You see, as I step out, I leave, you know. I leave, you know, with a little prayer. Cause prayer changes everything. Remember to pray for your family and your friends then. Life too hard around you right now. Take care of them. Say a little prayer for me. Going on a long journey. Good words for me. Pray for me. I pray for you. Say a little prayer for me. Bless me with your good energies. Yes. Good words for me. Pray for me, I pray for you. You have to know the call. When you are step out in a road, gather up your friends, family, and let your prayer overload. There's nothing like good vibration to get you to a tough situation, put you in a good space. Meditation, confidently step out. You reach your destination. Say a little prayer for me. Pray for me. We're going on a long journey. Some good words for me. Pray for me. I pray for you. Say a little prayer for me. Bless me with your good energies. Yes. Some good words for me. Pray for me. I pray for you. At the word, sound and power. I side and say pray for me. Look for one another and say pray for me. Yeah man, tell your friend over here say pray for me. Yeah man, see you yourself. Prayer we say. What for the for one another in prayer? Yes, chant us up. What you want to prayer? Chant, whatever. Remember, one another in a prayer. Good vibration. All the time. My name is Isha Bel. And those songs, especially this one, is from my last album. Hear Me Now, One Woman Army, on my label Kalinga Records, because these are my productions. So, on the ground, and the time now we're singing my production too. So it'll come up on my label. Alright? So love and blessings in every way. Night Market, thank you all for having me. Have a fantabulous time. Keep up on yourself.